of people are asking, how do I get a full-size pickup into a small-size parking space? It's actually quite simple. The problem that you're having is you don't have the turning radius, you have too long of a wheelbase to make that turn. So you're probably doing something like this. Can't make it, too small. But there's an easier way, so easy that even a very small dog. Okay, what Duke is going to do is essentially a 3-point or Y turn into that spot. He's going to pull in as though he's pulling into the parking space next to the car, just beyond the space that you want. A lot easier. So easy that Duke could do it. I think he did a great job. So can you.